80 miles south of Portland, heading south. We've been in snow for the entire 80 miles. Seen a ton of spin outs. A lot of people going off the road. A lot of people driving really slow. You gotta be really careful. This is gonna be a long way home. The road's pretty clear now. This is probably the best I've seen so far. I lost the Subaru driver assist eyesight one time simply because the snow was coming down so hard. We had a whiteout situation. There goes my eyesight setting again. It's snowing pretty hard, but I got my glasses clear up there. It just can't see through this snow. While the eyesight is disabled, I won't get any of those lane positioning, lane changes, coming up to a slow vehicle in front of you alerts. It is entirely up to me to drive a car. Imagine that. All those cars are
Holy cow.
behind a snowplow, and sometimes they have signs that say do not pass snowplows, so they're not passing. We're traveling on pretty much wet pavement here, but you want to keep your distance because there's still patches of slush on the road, especially in the left lane. Unfortunately, these two snow plows pulled out right in front of us from an X. So as soon as they pulled out, traffic is starting to back up. We can't pass them, and the one to the left is a de-icer, so it's spraying out de-ice, or it could be. That stuff's not good on your car. Always wash your car after winter driving. And that includes the underbody and the wheel wells. When the roads are like this, you want to leave a lot of distance, and these cars going in the other direction are going to be surprised. There's a tree falling over, blocking two of the three lanes. I saw a van swerved to avoid a tree over the road, did a complete 360 in through the gap and recovered and continued on. This traffic going the other direction is going to back up quick. This is unfortunate timing for us, but the Oregon Road Department's doing a good job keep the roads open and safe. We're one summit away from Roseburg going south. They're requiring chains ahead, and this is my first time going through a chain check in Oregon. In California, they let Subarus because they're all-wheel drive through, so let's see what happens. There is a 4x4 Dodge pickup putting chains on. Very interesting. I think it'll be pretty much the same here. It says we have to have chains, but we don't have chains.
No conversation with that Subaru either.
We're a Subaru. He'll just give me the "you're a Subaru" wave on. I'm pretty sure of it. Subaru. So I noticed this Camaro in front of me has a wire chains, or wired snow devices on the rear tires, and the one on the driver's side is in really bad placement, so I'm staying back and keeping an eye on it. I don't want to hit me. In fact, I think I'll just pass right here. There you go, safely out of the way of his falling off chain. And that is exactly why you want a four-wheel drive on the fly or an all-wheel drive car such as this Subaru. That was maybe 5 miles of snow and then you're out of it again. Just cruising along at 65 miles an hour. The chain check going north on 5 is insane. I'm glad we're not going north. All right, Subaru. Passing the Subaru on the inside. Visibility is really poor right now, and we're just coming out of the hills. The road's clear, but the trucks are still running chains, so you want to keep your eye out for a pile of chains because they will wreck your day. The most difficult terrain to negotiate while up in Oregon is the In-N-Out parking lot. They love their doubles up here. Well, we're 100 miles away from home. We crossed the Oregon border into California 20 miles ago and instantly out of the snow. I think we got one more chance to hit snow in Weed and Dunsmuir. Unfortunately, I did catch a rock on my windshield and it's starting to crack, so there's a couple $100. One last blow through the snow in between Weed and Mount Shasta. Typically where we get snow in Northern California on I-5. We've been blasted on wet pavement for about 40 miles, so time to regroup and reconsider your speed. Make it home safe and alive.